Good morning, children. Today let us start the new chapter, that is third chapter is subtraction. In the last class we have seen how to add the given numbers, isn't it? Today let us see how to subtract the given numbers. What do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction means we'll take the difference of the two numbers. Let us take here single digit number like 5 minus 2. The symbol used for subtraction is minus. See, this is minus sign. 5 minus 2. We are subtracting 2 from 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Is it clear, children? We are subtracted single digit number. Similarly, how to subtract a two digit number? Let us take 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Is it clear, children? Here we are taking the difference of the two numbers, two given numbers. Now let us subtract 3 digits number. Let us take 5, 4, 3. In this let us subtract 124. See here. Always we'll start the subtraction from an unit digit place, isn't it? See, 3 minus 4. In 3, 4 cannot be subtracted because 4 is bigger number, isn't it? Therefore, what we have to do? We have to take borrow from the next number. The next number is 4. When we take borrow, what happens? 3 becomes 13. What about 3? When it has given to the other person, it becomes plus 3. Okay. Therefore, 13 minus 4 is 9. Now, 3 minus 2 come to tens place. What we have in the tens place? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And in the hundreds place, what we have? 5 minus 1 is 4. See, this all you have learnt in your 4th standard only, isn't it? How to subtract a single digit number, how to subtract an 2-digit number, and how to subtract an 3-digit number. Therefore, now in 5th standard, let us learn how to subtract. And see here, they have given 4 digits number, isn't it? Let us know how to subtract a 4-digit number and an 5-digit number. Okay. Now let us start exercise. They have given some revision exercise here. Okay, let us try to solve this exercise. Okay, see what they have given in the first Roman number. They asked us to subtract the following numbers. We have to subtract these two numbers. We have to take the difference of these two numbers. Okay, see here in this first Roman number, we'll take the difference of the numbers without taking the borrow. Without taking borrow from each other, we will just subtract the numbers. For that, let us subtract the numbers by putting the values. Let us put these values in the place value chart and let us subtract so that you won't get any confusion. Okay, see what the first number what they have given as 4528. First put the table like this and start from the right to left. See what the first will be having unit place. After unit we'll get tens. Next 100. After 100 which place we get? We get 1000. Okay, now in this table substitute these numbers first. Put these numbers first. See 8 is in which place? It is in units place, isn't it? 8. And the next number is 2 is in which place? Hundreds place. And 5 is in which place? Hundreds place. And 4 is in which place? Thousands place. 8 is in units place, 2 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, and 4 is in thousands place. Again they have given one more number, isn't it? We have to subtract this number from the above number. That is 4 is in which place? Units place. 1 is in which place? Tens place. 2 is in which place? Hundreds place. And 3 is in which place? Thousands place. What we have to do? We have to subtract. Subtraction symbol is minus, this is minus sign. Okay. Now let us subtract. 8 minus 4. What is 8 minus 4? See children, if you have 8 chocolates, in that 8 chocolate, if you eat 4 chocolates, the remaining chocolates will be 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay. Similarly, 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. Next 4 minus 3 is 1. Is it clear, children? Next question. See the next question what they have given. 6453 minus 5302. First substitute these values in the table first. Put the table like this and put the places like this. Unit place, tens place, 100 and 1000. Now see 3 is in which place? It is in units place. 5 is in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, and 6 is in thousands place. In that we have to subtract 5302. 2 is in which place? Units place. 0 in tens place, 3 hundreds place, 5 thousands place. Now we have put the values in the table, isn't it? Now you can subtract easily without any confusion. Therefore 3 minus 2. What about 3 minus 2? 3 minus 2 is 1. See, if we have 3, in that if we remove 2, we are left with 1. Okay, next 5. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Next 4. 4 minus 3. The left answer is 1. The remaining answer is 1. Similarly, 6. 6 minus 5. See, here there are 6 fingers, isn't it? In this we subtract 5, means close all the 5 fingers. We are left with only 1, isn't it? Therefore 6 minus 5 is 1. Is that clear, children? So in this first Roman number, there is one more question left out. That is homework for you people, children. You try to solve by yourself. Now let us go through second Roman number. Here also they have asked to subtract the following numbers. Here we will subtract the numbers by taking borrow. Here we have done without taking. We have subtracted the numbers without taking any borrow. But here we'll see how to subtract the two given numbers by taking borrow. Okay. See what they have given in the first question. 6123 minus 3586. We have to subtract this number from this number. As usual, again you put the place value table similarly and put these values in the given table first. First you substitute this value so that you doesn't get any confused while subtracting. After you just leave some table one blank row for borrowing. Okay, see what they have given in the unit place. 3. Next 2 is in which place? Tens place. And 1 is in which place? Hundreds place. 6 is in which place? Thousands place. And the next number is, see here, 6 is in which place? Units place. Next 8 tens place, 5 hundreds place, 3 thousands place. Now we have substituted the values. Now let us try to subtract the numbers. See what we have in the units place. Always we have to start the subtraction from the units place only, isn't it? See, 3 minus 6. In 3 we can't subtract 6, isn't it? Therefore what we have to do? We have to take borrow from the next number. The next number is 2. When we take borrow from this number, what 3 becomes? 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 6 is 7, isn't it? Okay, when we have given one number borrow, we have taken borrow from 2, isn't it? Then what happens? 2 becomes 2 minus 1 is 1. The left out number is 1. See, again in 1 minus 8, we can't subtract 8 from 1, isn't it? So what we have to do, again we have to take borrow from this number. What happens? 1 becomes 11. What about this number? It has only 1. When it has given to that another number, what happens? It becomes 0. Now let us subtract here. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Okay. Next come to hundreds place. What we have? 0 minus 5. In 0 we can't subtract 5, isn't it? Again we have to take borrow from the previous number. Next number 6. When we take borrow from this 6, it becomes 0 becomes 10. What about 6? 6 has given 1 borrow to the next number. Therefore it becomes minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Therefore now 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Next 5. 5. See here we have 5. 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. We are left with 2 digits. Okay. 5 minus 3 is 2. Is it clear, children? How to subtract the numbers by taking borrow, isn't it? Now let us go through second question. See what they have given in the second question. 8,000 minus 4,617. First put the given numbers in the table. See, 0 is in which place? Units place. First blank we have to leave for borrow. Okay, first row leave for borrowing. Okay, 0 is in units place, and the next 0 is in tens place, and the next 0 is in hundreds place, and 8 it is in thousands place. The next number given is 4,617. 7 is in units place, 1 is in tens place, 6 is in which place? Hundreds place, and 4 is in thousands place. Now we can subtract. See, we can't 0 minus 7, we can't subtract 7 from 0, isn't it? Therefore what we have to do, we have to take borrow from the next number. But here the next number is again 0. 0 we can't take borrow from 0. Again the next number is 0, we can't take borrow here also. So go for the next number. Here we have 8, we can take borrow, isn't it? First take from here. Okay, what happens? 8 becomes 7. Okay, when we take borrow, what we get here? Here we get 10. But this number also in need, isn't it? Therefore if we take borrow from this number, it becomes 9, and this number becomes 10, isn't it? Again this number also in need, isn't it? We have to subtract the 7 from 0. Therefore when we give one borrow to this number, this 10 becomes 9. When this number has taken borrow, it becomes 10. Is that clear, children? Now we can subtract. Okay. Now you subtract 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Next 9. What we have? 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Next what we have in the hundreds place? 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Next come to thousands place. 7. 7 minus 4. See what we have? 7 minus 4. Take 7 fingers here. 7 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have left with 3. 1, 2, 3. Therefore 7 minus 4 is 3. Is it clear, children? Is it clear how to subtract the numbers by taking borrow? Okay. There is one more question, third question, children. That is homework for you people. You have to solve by yourself. Okay. Now let us go for third Roman number. What they have given here? Solve the following problems. Here they have given the statement problems. We have to solve this. See what they have given in the first question. A factory manufactured 8,534 boxes. Out of them, 5,420 boxes were sold out. Find the remaining number of boxes. What they said, let us first try to understand the question. Okay, what they said, a factory manufactures. Manufacturing means ಕಂಪನಿನೇ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿನೇ ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಂಪ್ನಿನೇ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, here a factory total how it has manufactured how many boxes, 8,534. Out of them, in this total number of boxes, how many have been sold out means they have maridare. How many have been sold out? That is 5,421 boxes were sold out. Now we have to find out the remaining, means we have to subtract ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ we have to subtract 8,534 minus 5,421. Is it clear, children? You have understood the question. Now let us answer this question. Okay, first write down what they have given. See, I have written here what they have given. Given number of boxes, manufactured boxes are 8,534, and the number of boxes sold out in these boxes are 5,421. What they have asked us to find out? Find the remaining boxes. The remaining boxes means if we need remaining boxes means we have to subtract, isn't it? So let us subtract 5,421 from 8,534. Okay, always we have to subtract the given numbers from the units place only, isn't it? Therefore 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, it is 3. Next come to tens place. What you have in the tens place? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, close 2 fingers, you are left with 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1 again. Next 8 minus 5, children. Take 8 fingers, close 5. 4 plus 1, we are left with 3 fingers. 3. Therefore 8 minus 5 is 3. Therefore the number of boxes left out are, the remaining boxes are 3,113. Is it clear, children? See, still there are 2 questions in this Roman number that are homework for you people. Okay, take care, children. Let us continue in the next class.